Tired of getting spawn camped or lagging like crazy in Blox Fruits? Let's ditch this madness and jump to a fresh server on your PS4. First things first, fire up Blox Fruits on your PlayStation 4. Make sure you're logged in and ready to set sail on a new adventure. Once you're in the game, you'll likely be dropped straight into a server. To change servers, we need to find the server selection menu. Look for a small button or icon, typically located on the side of your screen or in the main menu area. It often looks like a globe or a list. Go ahead and press the corresponding button on your PS4 controller to access the server list. This will usually be the X button, but check the on-screen prompt to be sure. Now, you'll see a list of available servers. Pay attention to the player count next to each server. A lower number usually means less lag and fewer players to contend with, giving you a smoother gameplay experience. Select the server you want to join by highlighting it and pressing the X button. The game will then prompt you to confirm your choice. Simply confirm, and you'll be transported to your new Blox Fruits home. That's it. You're now in a brand new server, ready to conquer the Grand Line. Now you can enjoy the game lag-free and start grinding with your friends. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Blox Fruits tips.